Hello, welcome to the demonstration of Elevate Live. Elevate Live is a prediction and visualization framework for online news virality via entity-level analytics. Online news such as this about the Ryanair accusing Lufthansa of Air Berlin conspiracy contains a wide variety of semantic background information. For example, here we see named entities like Lufthansa, Ryanair, etc. We are able to geolocate these named entities via the information stored about them in knowledge bases such as Yago and DBpedia. These geolocations allow us to contextualize the news articles with their associated countries. This is the web interface for Elevate Live. In the top part of the window, we have a zoomable timeline on which we map all the news stories coming from different news agencies. Here, each square represents a different news story. The blue panel is used to specify the prediction algorithm and the parameters to be used for the computation. The threshold value here is the upper limit for the number of countries to be returned by the prediction algorithm. In the down part of the window, we have a world map which is utilized to visualize the viral countries corresponding to a news story. To compute the viral countries for a news story, we click on it. For instance, here we have the results of news story we saw before. It can be clearly observed that Germany is highly relevant to the news story and it is predicted by the model. The world map is used to visualize the relative importance of different countries to the news story. Here we see the Germany is dark red, which signifies that this is more relevant to the news story as compared to the countries such as Belgium and Ireland. The second important module of Elevate Live can be used to discover the viral stories by countries. To search for the viral stories corresponding to a country, we specify the country name and choose the prediction model to be used and the range of the publication date for the news stories to be shown. Here we see the news stories ordered by their relevance to Germany. It is worth pointing out that the Ryanair story is ranked in top 2 results, and when we see the search results for Ireland, we see that the same news story is ranked lower in the results because of its less relevance. The search can be performed using more than one country names. For example, if we want to see the news stories which has Germany and France but not India, then you can use the plus and minus symbols. Here we see the results of the viral stories which are relevant to Germany and France but not to India.